Hello guys, so we have Orlando 2 tonight. We will be racing the 250 West series now. The 250 East, they will take a break. So right now we will receive riders like Justin Cooper, Jeremy Martin, Hunter Lawrence, McAdoo, Jordan Smith. So we will have a new fresh set of riders coming up to race, and will be cool to see how well they got prepared for the start of their season. I would like to know, who do you think is gonna be the new guy coming and dominating? If it's gonna be Jeremy Martin with all of his experience, or if you have Jordan Smith coming, or McAdoo, or maybe even Hunter Lawrence, the older brother to Jet Lawrence, to win some races as well, and coming with his A game to the 250 West Championship. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and who do you think is gonna be probably the guy leading the field of the 250 West. About the 450, we have, of course, Roxon leading the points, but we have Webb coming strong now. I don't know, maybe Tomac can bring his A game tonight. We'll never know. Even Musken can surprise as well. Barsha, we know he has been riding well. We can't count him off of any race right now because he has been fast. I don't know. I think we'll be again about probably Roxon and Webb, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments as well, what do you think about it. I know that about the track they made minor changes due to the bad weather, so the track is going to be almost the same. I think they just of course they just made minor changes to the track, but yeah, I'm a little bit excited to tonight's race and to see a new group of riders coming, the 250 West, and watch the show. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.